There you go. Start recording this. Let's talk. This is a double barrel knex gun with a true trigger. You might think that the trigger action stopped by the silver piece which is going across there. No, it isn't. It's actually stopping it from going right up and just being annoying. So what you do to load it, push that down. The trigger bit should be up like that. Last bit. There should be up, and then you pull these two plungers which are connected. Oh, shouldn't go up like that though. If it does, then don't worry, and just load it. And there you go. So resting on the edge, and you can see you just get it there. Bang! Simple, easy, effective. Instructions very soon, probably within a few hours.